What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 8 for my 31-day video challenge for the month of July. Have you guys ever had one of those rides where like, oh shit rides, or something was about to happen, or one of those rides that you just feel nervous? Well, on this one, I'm gonna go over a few instances where like I was like, oh shit. So on my very first road trip that I took, I went down to North Carolina, and I was going down to visit my dad, and I was going to go do the Tail of the Dragon 2 before I went over there to hang out with him for the weekend. And mind you, this is my first road trip that I've ever been on, first long distance road trip on the bike, and I happened to do that in one day. It was my first unofficial Iron Butt Challenge, because I didn't document anything as far as my mileage and my gas stops and all that. So, but anyway, first time going down the Tail of the Dragon, you know, the whole ride I was just nervous, just because it's my first actual long distance road trip. So I'm going, you know, have beautiful weather, it's starting to get hot, going through Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, and then it's not a single raindrop in sight. Like, as soon as I cross into over Tennessee, it starts freaking downpouring, and the next thing you know, there was a big old lightning strike right off to my right.
I'm in danger!
So I mean, lightning, I'm up in the mountains, so I'm like, oh man. But luckily the rain didn't last very long, which that was a good thing. But you know, still feeling nervous as hell doing this whole trip, because I'm 100 miles away from home. So then I finally get up to the Tail of the Dragon. You know, that made me pretty nervous as well too, because I've never done it. And you know, I just had to keep in mind, like, I wasn't going out there to race up and down the hill. I wasn't trying to go fast. And well, I mean, you can find that video on my channel too. I will link it above so you guys can check that out. But yeah, I was doing the Tail of the Dragon, everything was going nice and smooth, and I rode my ride. There was a few times where there was some people behind me, but they got some nice little cutoffs where you could pull over to the side and let them go by and let them do them, you know. I have ridden in a lot of rainstorms. One of them was just last summer. Well, I had two of them last summer. One of them, I was coming back from Grand Rapids. I was going to donate some plasma, get a little extra money. And there wasn't on the radar, there was no rain in the forecast, and well, by the time I got done, it was downpouring. And the streets, they were just flooding. And there was one time where my bike ended up cutting out because it got too much water on the intake. And then I finally get it fired back up, thank God. I'm going down the road, like, I think this is nothing but comical. I'm going down the road and there's just puddles of water on the shoulder. So I'm in the center lane, and this truck comes flying by, and there's just a huge wave that just comes right over top of me. And at this point, like, I'm already soaked. I can't do nothing but laugh about it. Like, it is what it is. So I was soaking wet. I couldn't see. I lifted my visor up because my visor kept getting foggy, and I had this I wear prescription glasses, and I couldn't see because those were fogging up. So I took those off, and then the raindrops were just pelting me in the face, in the eyes, and like, I'm wiping them, and a bunch of road water's getting in my face. Yeah, it sucked, but I don't mind riding in the rain. There was another time last summer, my wife and I, we were at one of her friends' weddings. It was kind of raining on and off all day, and you know, like, we'll just take the bike. Not a big deal. I don't think it's going to rain anymore. Well, joke's on me, it started raining a little bit and it was starting to get a little bit darker, so we ended up leaving in just another torrential downpour. It's dark out at this point because we're going slow. She's scared. I can feel her every time, like there was lightning and thunder. Every time it would go off, she would just squeeze me. I couldn't do nothing but laugh about that because, you know, I'm used to riding in the weather, but she ain't. So we're going, pitch black, it's raining, thunderstorm, rainstorm. I got the 4-ways on, I'm going pretty slow. Water's getting in the intake, so it starts cutting out, and I'm like, oh fuck, please don't do this. Well, then eventually it starts lightening up a little bit, and then we get home where we gotta go, and it's just another one of those things. You just have to laugh about it, you know. It's what makes this whole experience worth it. So I haven't actually really had any like close calls or anything to put my life at risk. It's just little things like that. But this video has probably already ran a little bit longer than I wanted to, and looking at my GoPro, I'm running out of juice, so I ain't got much further till I'm at home. You know, if you guys had any crazy experiences, like, you know, drop them down in the comments. I like to hear other people's stories. But that being said, you know, I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's episode. Keep the shiny side up and stay safe. Peace.